Okay, everybody, this is the ProAct Traders Trade of the Week idea. And there's a disclaimer, not going to read it, but there it is. So this is not a trade signal. We have discussed this at length in the live room, and this video is just a short recap for an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. Don't forget, all trade ideas are for educational purposes only. So the trade idea is actually our real estate of the month trade. We're looking to do a swing trade on this one for quite a ways. But the first part of this is this little bit right here, right? And we're looking for this to come back down in here. We're looking for it to come back in and head down here. This is the ATR for the currency as it currently sits on the pound New Zealand. The pound New Zealand has the biggest ATR. And as you can see here, pound New Zealand has 173 pip ATR, and its average is 175. So it's doing right in there where it's supposed to be, okay? So let's take a look at the rest of the chart here, and you can see that, first of all, MACD up here, let me go back to this one. MACD is telling you that, hey, we're trying to make the break to the downside. We have already broken the T3, all right? So a break of the T3 and the zero line break means an 82% chance of going in that direction. That doesn't mean it's going to target, just means it's going in that direction, right? So if we look at the charts here, you'll be able to see that we're trying to go down here. We're trying to maybe start down. We were trying to start down. We're having a little pullback right there, see? And this is a big piece of information as it's curling over to head to the downside again. It won't take much to turn a 30 over, and this is trying to make the turn right now as we speak, all right? Just checking on the dollar index, you can see that the dollar index is still climbing to the upside as we thought this morning. So that would be a reversal for virtually all the currencies. And so, you know, when you saw the dollar coming down during the night, what did you see? You saw the pound New Zealand going up during the night, all right? So now that the dollar has flipped to the downside, then we should see this, this trade. All right, now the rest of the trade is a trade all the way down to right in here, which is at about 94.50, 1.9450, with the first part of it being right here, second part being right there, third part being right there, and the fourth part being right there. And then we're going to go even further down to the second square up down here. All right. So right down here, excuse me, it's down here to 93.30 area, 93.21 right there. All right. So you can see it's a big, big, big opportunity with the first part being right in here, hopefully today. So will it happen? I don't know. Who knows if it's going to happen? But if it does, you certainly don't want to miss it for a big ATR currency like the pound New Zealand. Be aware, however, that if you got a 50% retracement on the pound New Zealand with an ATR that's that big, 173 pips, you could have an 85 pip ATR retracement there. So be aware of that. All right, hope that helps you. We'll talk with you soon. Have a great day, everybody.